So guys, United drawed on Friday. Didn't make a video for it, so I'm just gonna ramble about a few things. I missed the Chelsea game. I missed the Liverpool game. But yeah, first of all, a 1-0 lead, guys, is absolutely nothing in the world of football because we saw it with Liverpool's last two games before this weekend. They one they a 1-0 lead, guys, is absolutely nothing. We were 2-1 up, and then they came back to equalize again. Okay, yeah, United threw 2 points out of the window, but Chelsea and Liverpool were like, nah, we can do you guys one better. We're throwing all 3 points out of the window. Yeah, guys, and I think if Carrick stays as manager and everything stays as it is, like I really believe that we will have another we will have one of the biggest banter eras ever, where we can finally talk about how Liverpool is not doing well. We can finally rub it in. I know we feel bad because like we're not used to like seeing them lose, but we can finally rub it in this time. But United should have won that game. That foul on Ahmad, I believe we would have scored there. We would have then the game would have ended like in 3-2 or something. Bad refereeing. So those are just a few things I want to touch on because I didn't make a video like since last week, I think. And I know it looks like I don't make videos when United lose. It's just that so on those days, I'm just like really tired, guys. Like I'm really tired. I don't know. On those days, I like it's like I get sick. I get sick, and then United lose. It's like I don't know how to explain it, guys. But okay. So one of the biggest problems for us United fans right now, sitting comfortably in third place. Doesn't matter if Aston Villa wins tomorrow. I think they will lose. They're gonna drop points also, but we're gonna stay in third place. One of our biggest problems now is that we're not playing in 3 weeks. We're not going to be playing in 3 weeks, guys, because We're gonna be playing the 13th of April. That is the only problem we have as United fans. So let's just let Carrick do his thing, let the team do their thing, stay cooking,